Hey guys, today we have this wrapped plastic. I'm gonna open it up. Yes, it has a USB. You might have guessed what it is already. It's one of these. I am suffering to find out who it was targeted for. I've had it for a while and I still don't know why I have it. Now, this is supposed to be waterproof. I'm not gonna pour too much water on it. In a minute, I'll just drop some because I don't want to mess my whole table here. Let me plug it in and see what the hell is going on here. Okay, let's see if our computer starts smoking after I plug it in. No, it has not smoked yet. As you see here, it says setting up a device. Okay, let's see if it sets it up. Device ready. USB keyboard is set up and ready to go. Wow, is it? Okay, now I pulled up here on the screen a keyboard tester. As you see, my mouse works, as you see right here. And now we're gonna tap a few things here. As you see, it actually works. I just don't understand what's up with the caps lock. What is this? How does it even work? Because I've tried to work it and just doesn't really do a lot. Unless it's broken on this unit and I am not aware of it. But somehow sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, so yeah, it works. But somehow I wasn't clicking it right. As you see, it does that red button. So are you supposed to do it like this? Because it has another one here. Right here does exactly the same thing. So does it type? Let me see if I can type Omnitech. I kinda typed Omnitech. Looks like everything works except letter R works too. Everything works on it, but I'm suffering to find out who this is for. Let me know in the comments if any of you has one of these anywhere, and how do you use this thing? Or is it one of those space savers if you need a keyboard on the run? You're somewhere probably in a park or hotel or I don't know, and you want to save space in your bag, and you kind of pull one of these and boom, you got a keyboard. And now the water test. I have some water here, but I don't want to mess the entire table. Yay, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna regret pouring water here. It is interesting. Yes, it is waterproof. Obviously, it's just a piece of plastic. There's really nothing else on it. Now let me type. Yes, it works. It looks so nasty. The camera makes it look worse than it is. So believe me, it's only water. It's not what you think. Get your head out of the gutter. And yeah, pretty much this is the keyboard. I don't know. I saw Linus had one of these not too long ago, and it reminded me that I have one of those. I just don't use it. And it's just, I don't know. You guys tell me, what would you use it? Like, what would push you in life to use one of these keyboards? What would be a reason? I mean, besides it's kind of interesting and different look or build, whatever you want to call that. Let me clean this table because I cannot stand this not being clean. Except for the looks, I don't know, maybe for travel would be okay, but I'm suffering to find a way to type comfortably on it. Why not just get one of those tiny foldable keyboards, the solid ones? I don't know, unless you want to go by the river or by the ocean or whatever, and while you're swimming you come out and chat quick and go back for a swim, I guess. That would be a use for it. It just, I don't know. Let me unplug it and show you again how it looks when you fold it, which is very anticlimactic. Just like that. You fold the entire keyboard. Yes, it's still wet. Just deal with it. And here it goes. Boom. I'm doing it probably wrong, and some of you are saying, oh my god, you're destroying it. Well, as if I use it. Anyway, this is the keyboard that I wanted to tell you today about, and tell me, what would you use this for? This is a keyboard. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video for some reason, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye!